Would you like to melt away the day's tension and stress right before bed so you can get the best sleep of your life? Hi, I'm Cheyenne, co-founder of Mend Your Mental, and we want to show you this little unique device right here. We use our product ourselves nearly every day because we deal with the same issues that you might be facing. Anxiety and insomnia of all origins is dealt with by calming the source of our uncomfortable physical sensations like restlessness and a pounding heart, our nervous system. You can click the link down below this video and get your chill pill now. Our customers are finding relief from insomnia that has plagued them for years, helping their hyper children wind down for bed, relieving cravings from negative coping mechanisms, even helping migraines. And right now, I want to revolutionize the way that you go about easing and relaxing the everyday tension and stress that you experience. And listen, we are more than confident that this will be the end-all solution that you've been hoping for. So we're giving you a 14-day test drive, meaning you have nothing to lose, yet everything to gain. So click the link right below this video and give yourself the sleep that you've been craving for today. As the chemical messengers that influence and connect all of your nerve cells together, your neurons have the ability to soothe or excite your entire body from head to toe. The electronic waves pulsing from the chill pill send the message that it's time to relax and let the tension melt away. And maybe if that's what you're using it for, drift off to sleep. This revolutionary connection from hand to head is the latest innovation in mental therapy. By calming the system that flows through our entire body, we are able to alleviate the symptoms of insomnia, all sorts of anxiety, unhealthy cravings, and so much more. In short, this means that anxiety, insomnia, overwhelming stress, and unhealthy mental habits could be a thing of the past. If you're sleeping better and thinking better, then surely you'll be living better too. Tomorrow can be better, but only if you take action and try something different. So thank you for watching, and if you like what you saw in this video, it's just the beginning. Click the link now, and I look forward to seeing how the chill pill can change your life.